all white.
Hold them all white.
What's going on, guys? Yellow Fellow here. Behind me, you'll see my shitty attempt to set up a green screen. That's a bed sheet. Yeah, so you know what I did? I decided to do something stupid. Since these update videos are kind of okay, kind of whatever, you know, I just post these little clips and I put them in little boxes and I try to do the best I can. I thought I'd make this one a little bit interesting if I can get it to work. If it's a little bit shoddy, then you know what, I'll slowly refine it. But what did I order today? Let's find out. What is this? Mountain Dog. A green screen. Smells like fried assholes. What do we have in this box? In case you guys are wondering, I didn't spend a whole bunch of money on this setup. Yeah, it was about $50. I got an Amazon gift card and I was like, you know what? I want a green screen. So that's what I spent it on. So I have a whole bunch of boxes here. I'm gonna unbox these and open these up. Basically what I did is I went and bought the cheapest setup I could find. Normally most setups are, you know, a little bit over $100, but I bought the cheapest green screen I could find. Not the cheapest, but in the length and width I wanted it, I bought the cheapest there. Sort price is lowest to highest. That's what I love about Amazon. Also, I bought these umbrellas and lighting because I understand for a green screen you have to have a lot of lighting. I'm gonna tear this bed sheet down because it's pointless. It didn't work. It's too damn dark, like a dark blue or whatever. So I guess I'm gonna unbox this. I'll leave all the links for the stuff in case you guys are interested in doing this down in the description. But I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and see what it looks like. Let's test out this green screen, but we kind of got a glare. I'm back, a little sweaty. This took forever. I don't even know if my lighting's gonna be good, so I'm gonna test this right now. Okay, so it might be a little shoddy. You might see a little wrinkles in the background. I tried to tighten it up as best as I could. Some of the wrinkles have to fall out, but it's working. It's totally freaking working. My green screen is set up. These lights in here look pretty good. I'll show you them probably towards the end of the video. I guess without any further ado, I have a freaking green screen. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, so new day. As you saw, I got everything set up and my face is shaved. Yeah, that was a whole big deal on Instagram. I posted a poll and everybody said, oh yeah, you should shave. But besides that, welcome back to part 3 of the rebuild series. I'm super excited about it. It couldn't be any better. As you can see, I got this cool little background behind me of the parts. So where we're at is all the parts have come in. The block is at the machine shop. It should be back sometime at the end of next week or maybe a couple weeks from now. It'll be back. Then the next video after that will probably be putting the entire motor together, and then you got startup, and then you got all of that stuff. It's gonna be freaking awesome, so I can't wait for that. So we have a few clips sent to us of all the parts coming in from Mopar Mike. This video is not gonna be that special, just a video of all the parts. So that's why I got this green screen set up. I thought it might make it a little bit more interesting. I'm just gonna have fun with it, and it'll be a cool addition to the channel. But I'm gonna start off with some videos that he sent us and some stuff. We can take a look at it of all the parts that have come in and give you guys a nice little spicy update. So one thing I noticed is it kind of turns my logo orange, I guess because it sees a little bit of green in it. Anyway, so the parts you see behind me right here, basically this is essentially all the parts, but they're gonna get unboxed. So this is our first clip right here. This is the stroker crank. You'll hear Mopar Mike talk about it. Man, that looks so nice.
Here's the stroker crank.
Dang. Brand new, Manly 19018. Don't know what that means. That is sick looking.
Only the best.
So this right here is just basically a box. This is what it has in it. These are the stroker rods right here. All Manly. Looks like nice stuff. You gotta love Mopar Mike's performance. He did a great job. Just look at him. Such craftsmanship. Look at him. He just went right in on this one. Oh man. Dang, that's nice.
Those are the stroker rods. Here's the pistons.
Oh, freaking piston. Man. Gotta love how shiny that is. Damn, forged aluminum. That's super sick.
One hunk of aluminum. Forged aluminum.
Damn, look at that.
Piston rings.
Sweet. Hopefully these rings don't pop off. So this is just pistons right here in a box. That's all that is. Just some extra stuff, some extra goodies. These are just the boxes. This right here is an Instagram post made by Mopar Mike. Just another 426 stroker about to go together. You know who he's talking about. That's me. That's me right there. Yeah, you know it, baby. It's gonna be awesome. So this is the bare block. This is completely stripped down, nothing inside of it. He got all the parts out. Like I said, all the parts, once they come back from the machine shop, he's gonna take everything and assemble it, and that's gonna be the next video. That is gonna look super awesome. I cannot wait for that. This right here is just a different view of it from the top, so enjoy that. Anyway, that's gonna about wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video style. I really tried hard on this one. This is my first time ever using a green screen. Let me know how you thought I did in the comments. I promised you guys that the third video was gonna be better than the second, and the second better than the first, and so on. So let me know if I've done what I said I was gonna do. Also, if you wanna support the channel, I'm really excited to be making a comeback. Be sure to drop me a like, be sure to drop me a subscribe, and be sure to hit me with that follow on Instagram. If you want all the exclusive content and my total full craziness, you can get exclusive updates about what's going to happen with the YouTube channel and all that. I hope you guys are enjoying these updates. We should have so much more content coming the next video. I can't wait to get this block back from the machine shop so he can start installing stuff on it and I can make videos with that. I want to figure out how to point at things with the green screen. That would be so cool if I could be like, look at this, and point my finger exactly on it like a weatherman. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you guys know how to do that. I thought I did a pretty spot on job with the green screen, first time ever using it. I was really excited to make this video. I hope it was up to you guys' standards. I think that's just gonna about wrap it up for me. You guys have no idea how much this channel means to me, how much I love you guys supporting the page and everything. It means the world. Dude, can you just wrap up the fucking video? You said I love you guys about 50 times. Every sentence, you don't stop talking. Go away, evil yellow. I own you, motherfucker. Listen to me. These people don't want to hear that crap. They came here for an update video, not to watch your sorry ass ramble on about shit they don't care about. I just want to know if I'm giving them the content that they deserve. I say that stuff because I really mean it. I don't know what else you want me to say. I have trouble wrapping up videos. Like and subscribe. Check out my channel. Do you know how you fucking sound? Do you think this is easy for me, man? Look how shitty of a job I've done of cloning us. Look at us. Do you see that? What are you talking about, bro? They'll never know it took 2 days to film this, and that's why I'm wearing a different shirt. Well, people, on this internet box thing, I'm Evil Yellow. I control the daily thoughts of Yellowfellow, and I influence him to do some terrible things. I'm the reason why he is the way he is. He can never change it. He can never get rid of me. I'm a part of his soul, and as long as you watch him on this channel, you're gonna have to live with me too. But oh well, if you liked the video, and you did all that stuff, that whatever you're supposed to do at the end, then okay. If not, then I don't care. Thanks for watching, you mother. Well guys, all jokes aside, I hope you guys enjoyed that stupid little skit. I tried to clone myself. It went terrible. It took me 2 days. I didn't know what to talk about. I should have had some kind of script or something like that. But I just wanted to see if I could clone myself, and I can. So, first time ever doing it. Not that bad. It's really off, and I used clips from other parts of the videos that weren't even whatever. I don't know. I don't know. I didn't look this up how to do it. I just started going at it. So let me know how I did in the comments. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up and quit dragging it out. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for watching. I tried to have a little bit of fun in this video. That's why it's kind of all over the place. But stay tuned for part 4. I can't wait to see what's going to happen in that. We might be putting the block together. All kinds of stuff could be potentially happening. So stay tuned and stick around. Thank you guys for always supporting the madness. You guys are awesome. And I'm out.